Good morning, mamas, and welcome back to another episode of Tender Love and Self-Care. My name is Sarai, and today I just want to talk about Christmas vacation. Yes, it's almost that time of year where our kids come on to Christmas vacation, excuse me. And as moms, we know that this means more work, more responsibility, and unfortunately, yes, a little bit more stress. But what can we do during the holidays so we can still enjoy our family, enjoy our children being home, and be able to enjoy and have a good time? And one of those things that I like to do is just take some time in the morning before I start my day and really zone in what is my purpose for the day. And if you go back to episode 3, the guided tea meditation, that's a wonderful way to start the day and really set that intention of positivity, of love, of compassion, of happiness, of harmony in your house, and really make that intention when you do that meditation. And you'll see the changes. There's subtle shifts, but the shifts will happen. And you'll be able to be in a better state of mind to enjoy your time with your family and not feel so overwhelmed during this season. Another thing that we can do is practice our breathing. I didn't know this, but when I experienced it for myself, I realized that a lot of the time we like to breathe with our shoulders and the upper part of our lungs. And I didn't realize this, but this actually creates and supports a state of constant stress in our body. It's very unconscious. A lot of people don't know this, but when I teach meditation classes and I explain to people how abdominal breathing is very helpful, they experience the benefits literally in less than 60 seconds. So I'd like to share that with you in today's episode and guide you through a little abdominal breathing exercise to really help you regulate your emotions and clear your mind. So we'll practice that a little later on. And my third tip for really keeping your zen during the holidays is to prioritize your own health and your well-being. I cannot stress how important it is to make time for yourself, to learn how to say no to things, to respect your boundaries, to respect your own wishes, and to not feel pressured to do things the way other people want. Allow yourself to be happy during the holidays too, and you will see that those around you will be even more happy because they're seeing you enjoy your time, therefore they can relax and enjoy their life as well. So let's get into our deep abdominal breathing to help you create and manage your Zen zone during the holiday season. So let's go ahead and put our stuff down. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor. You're going to want to sit down for this or lay down for this. So please don't stand while you're doing this. You're going to get super relaxed, and I don't want anybody falling over. So let's go ahead and get comfy. I'm right now sitting on my sofa. My feet are kicked up. I'm relaxing. I have my little dog next to me keeping me warm. And so right now we're just going to exhale deeply. And we want to do all of our breathing through our nose, allowing for our body to go deep into relaxation. All right, are you ready? Exhale completely through your nose and inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe normally, keeping your eyes closed. Put your gentle awareness on the tip of your nose. Inhale and exhale. Allow for your body to just relax and let go. Allow for your mind to let go. Relax your entire body. Your emotions and your mind are calm, full of tranquility and peace. Set your intention for the day to experience this Christmas season with lots of joy and happiness, with mental and emotional clarity, with fulfillment and harmony throughout your home. Inhale and exhale. See your entire family laughing, hugging, having a wonderful time. See yourself enjoying every moment of every day. Smile. Feel grateful for this moment. How are you doing? Be aware of your mind and your thoughts, your emotions and your body. How do you feel? You may open your eyes with a big, big smile. Thank you so much for joining me for this very quick but super efficient meditation for stress relief, especially during these festive times. We call it Meditation Holiday Edition. We hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. My dog is totally zen out here next to me. Wishing you and your family a beautiful, wonderful, healthy, safe, and prosperous holiday season. We'll see you next Thursday. Until next time, my name is Sarai. Thank you so much for joining Tender Love and Self-Care. And please remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and share us with your family and friends so that everybody can create their own Zen zone during the holiday season. Bye-bye.